1947, the Independence Day of Pakistan, we gather here to commemorate the struggle and sacrifices of our ancestors. Millions of Muslim kids, thousands of women became widows, thousands of children became orphans, thousands of Muslims became handicapped. That is not an easy story to tell. That story has horrible and terrifying history. It is a sad fact that we are celebrating independence with songs, noises of different types, break laws and doing shameful acts. We are disrespecting the freedom and Muslim community has been. If our ancestors know that what